Today, we are grilling some wings on the slow and sear MasterKettle. It's the first time I'm cooking wings, so let's give it a shot. Let's start prepping up these wings. We have 4.5 pounds of party wings we're gonna season. Now these wings aren't called party wings because they're ready to go out and have a good time. Party wings are when the drum, flat, and the tip have been separated out. Let me know if you want me to cook the wing whole next time by leaving me a comment. Let's season the wings on both sides with our rub. Now if you're curious how I made this, I took about a tablespoon of cornstarch and a tablespoon of baking powder and mixed in about 3 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning made by West Coast Barbecue Company and gave it a good mix. Be sure to give the wings a nice even coating on all sides. The cornstarch baking powder combination is going to give it a nice crispy texture, and the rub is going to give it a touch of heat. I go into great detail why this combination of cornstarch and baking powder really works. So if you're curious, be sure to check out that video after this one. But for now, just trust me. Leaving these wings overnight in the fridge to air dry is going to produce crispier results, but no biggie if you don't. The second trick for crispy wings is high heat. I'll show you by firing up the slow and sear MasterKettle. This is the first cook I'm doing on the MasterKettle, and a big thank you to SnS Grills for sending me this grill. We'll want to fill 3/4 chimney with briquettes and use a starter to light it up. Once lit, I'm flying the SnS insert with a layer of unlit charcoal, and I'm going to pour in the chimney that is roaring hot now. Let's fly in the dripping griddle to collect any grease, and it helps to redirect airflow into the SnS insert. Place in our easy spin grate and spray our grates with a little oil to prevent any sticking. Let's cover and let it come up to a nice hot roasting temperature between 350 and 400 degrees. Both the top and bottom vents are set wide open for
maximum airflow.
10 minutes later, let's place in our wings. Now let's rearrange these so there's some space between each wing. These are party wings and all, but you still gotta give it a little bit of personal space, which is gonna be very easy to do since these have been split up into party wings. It's kind of a shame we aren't using the full grate to pile in a little bit more wings. Now, if you're curious if using the full grate is possible, it most certainly is. If you want a video on that, drop me a comment. Let's spray the wings with some oil. We're probably ruining the environment here, but hey, we gotta do something to crisp up these wings. Let's cover and start cooking. Now be very careful with raw chicken, and remember to sanitize your workspace and wash your hands whenever you handle raw chicken. I'm gonna clean the work table with soap and water, dry it out, and then run a disinfectant wipe to clean the area. The chicken wings will take anywhere from 40 minutes to an hour to finish cooking. I like taking the wings to an internal temperature of 180 to 200 degrees, basically until you're happy with the crispy level on your wings. Yes, chicken is safe to eat at 165 Fahrenheit, but it takes a little bit longer for the wings to crisp up. Now the wings can handle being removed at a hotter internal temperature. They will not dry out on you. When the wings get close to being done, I'm melting a stick of butter to build my hot wing sauce. For the hot sauce, I'm using awesome spicy avocado hot sauce made by Semper Fry, which I got in San Diego, California. Let's drop a nice helping of it in this melted butter and give it a good mix before removing. Now there's not much time left on these party wings, so let's cover. It's been a total of 1 hour, and let's check the temperature. Wings are temping around 190, and I'm very satisfied with the crispy level on these wings. These not only look good, but they smell fantastic. I cannot wait to give this a taste. But before we do, we need a sauce. So let's remove all of our wings. But let's place a third of these in this bowl for some saucing. Let's pour in our hot sauce butter mixture and give it a nice little toss. Let's plate these up and pour in whatever sauce was left on our bowl. Not that much. Our wings are ready. Let's eat. These wings are gonna be great. Let's give it a taste. Little drum action now. Okay, that was a success. Sauce was really good. That rub was really good. Really great combination. It all complemented each other really, really well. First time cooking wings on the MasterKettle. Big success. Cannot wait to keep cooking on this. So far, I'm impressed with this grill. If you're interested in the kettle, I'll have a affiliate link down below for you to check out. But let's take it through the motions. Let's put up more proteins. Let's test it out with as many different foods as I can and be ready for that review. But in the meantime, I got some more chicken wing recipes that you should definitely check out. I'll see you on the next one.